Ever wanted your animations to flow seamlessly, changing scenes with a touch of elegance instead of a jarring cut? Today, we're diving into the power of the cross-dissolve effect in Adobe Animate, a technique that will take your animations to the next level. This effect creates a beautiful transition, smoothly blending from one element or scene to another. First, let's get our elements ready. Here, we have two simple scenes, a red square and a blue circle, each existing on separate keyframes. Now, select the specific frames on your timeline where you want the cross-dissolve to begin and end. Head over to the Properties panel. Make sure Shape is selected for tweening. Next to the tweening is an option for easing to help shape your animation. Next, in the Properties panel, select Ease Out. Then change the value to 100. This will ensure a smooth dissolve. Now for color effects, select both frames on the timeline, and in the Properties panel, choose Color Effect. Then select Alpha. Adjust the alpha value on frame 25, where the red square ends. Set the alpha to 100% on frame 26, where the blue circle begins. Set the alpha to 0%. Play your animation. You should see a perfectly smooth transition from the red square to the blue circle. Congratulations! You have mastered the cross-dissolve effect in Adobe Animate. Use this technique to enhance your animations and make them more engaging.